Our Bank of America earnings trade expires today, October 20, and it is now more than 100% profitable. You can see this was the trade that we discussed on Monday, October 16, before earnings. This was the video. You can still search for the title or look at our channel to find this video where we discussed these options that we were trading. And so if we take a look at the analysis now of the profit loss diagram, you can see here currently $44 per trade is the profit. We are essentially hitting this peak here. We targeted this area, and that is exactly where we are landing as these options are expiring, right? And $36 was the initial cost of each of these trades. So what is then the profit? 44 profit divided by the initial cost, 36 times 100. Here we have it. This is 122% profit as of now. So this is why these trades don't necessarily have to be profitable right after earnings, because there was a lot of speculation that perhaps this was a losing trade, right? This is the day we put it on October 16 here. It went up, but then it went back down. So as we discussed in that video, we were predicting the stock would end up lower, right, at the expiration of our options strategy, right? And so that is what happens. And so we don't necessarily have to take off the trades right after earnings, because it wasn't profitable, yes, on that day right after, but that's irrelevant, because at the end of the day, this is when these options expire on October 20. And now you can see 122% profit. Okay, so for earnings, when you do trade earnings, don't jump to conclusions and don't take off your trades too early. You have to leave them on, especially if you use the kinds of strategies that we use. So comment below, were you also in this trade? If you were, would appreciate some comments to let us know that you also were able to profit from this. That makes us feel that by publishing these videos, it's worth it. It's helping others in some way, right? Otherwise, we could just post videos for our members only, because we primarily share a lot of our exclusive videos and the data with our members, the data where we can predict at a higher accuracy where stocks can go because of the unusual options activity worth millions of dollars. And that's how we beat the market. All right. For earnings, we don't put a lot because these are riskier events, but this is a sample, just a small sample of what you can do with unusual options activity. And so if we can be 122% profitable with just earnings, when this is a higher risk event, imagine what we are doing with our member trades. The data and trades that we use are a lot more effective for our members. So if you're interested in joining, hit the join button on our channel homepage. And as usual, comment below if you were in this trade, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified of unusual options activity. Take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day.